In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your liked videos on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up YouTube app. Once it is done, tap right here where it says You, and then you will be taken to the page that looks like that. Here we are looking for that playlist section where we can easily find the playlist which is called liked videos. If you cannot find it here, you may try to drag it to the left or to the right until you find it, and also you can hit at view all to see the entire list of your playlists here, and among your playlist you will for sure find liked videos. Then all we have to do is just enter that playlist, and here we can check all the videos we have ever liked on YouTube. Now guys, if we wanna, let's say, remove some video from here, we can easily do so if we hit at these three dots and then select remove from liked videos. That's how it can be easily done, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.